So it's been 4 years that I haven't used a face wash. So what do I do to clean my face as per Ayurveda is what I'm going to discuss today. Hi, this is Amrita. I'm discussing basics Ayurveda for everyone in the Dinacharya, like everyday daily routine. Once you're done with like waking up early, you're cleaning your oral cavity with tongue cleaning, oil pulling, brushing your teeth well, you've cleared all your bowels and everything. So what do you do next? You wash your face, because this also helps you wake up. It energizes you. It also of course takes care of that extra sebum, extra any toxin buildup, any sweat or anything. It will also cleanse your face from outside. So in fact, even at any given time, if you're feeling little drowsy, little low on energy, बहुत boring meeting है, पढ़ाई बहुत ज़्यादा boring हो रही है, ध्यान नहीं लग पा रहा है, so you can always wash your face, and that helps you wake up again. I think it's to do with the nerve endings on our face that just makes it all alert. Right, so this is what you do. Now what Ayurveda says is that when you're washing your face, the water shouldn't be too cold and water shouldn't be too hot. So ideally you want to have a room temperature water for your face, and also for your head, by the way. But for your face, you just want to make sure that, okay, in the thand ka mausam, a slight lukewarm water kind of works, but otherwise you have to stick to a room temperature water. Now, ideally, why did I give up using face wash is because, I would always find, since my body is very vata body, I feel very, very dry. So I stopped using face wash for that reason. But I also wanted to make sure that everything gets cleansed, right? So there are certain, like, a right way to wash your face, and this is something that I actually have learned from my friend Mitali, who's a skin therapist and a makeup artist. So I have asked her to record a quick video for me, and that's what I'm also going to share with you guys. But before that, this is again a little holistic science, but this is something I started believing in it, and I've been doing it for very long. And since not using face wash, and still I see like चेहरे की चमक ऐसी कोई कम नहीं हो रही है. So I'm like, there's something right in this. So I wash my face 7 times every day. So I really like take that water and 1 and 2 and 3 and like 4. So I do it 7 times. Also at that time, I'm also setting intentions, and this is for the 7 chakras to be more aligned with myself. So this is what I do. 7 times I wash my face. But just to get the right technique, how do you do this? I'll play the Mitali's video. Another thing I want to mention before that is, since sometimes there is a lot of built up, and there are sometimes there's that oil secretion, and sometimes you're going out in pollution and dust and all. So for that, I do Uptan. So Uptan is basically taking besan. These days people have also started using oat flour and other flours as well, but besan, which is chickpea flour, is what ideally is used. So besan, I would always add a little haldi to it, a little bit of rose water, and also a little bit of malai, ghar ki malai, because since my body is little, like, skin is dry, so that kind of works for me. But if you want to skip that, that's also okay. And then I just use that as to wash my face. Sometimes I let it be for 10 minutes so it dries up, and then I wash it off. So Uptan I would try to do, let's say, once or twice a week. Baki चल रहा है, सही अच्छे से हो रहा है, so no problem with it. Now I'm going to ask Mitali to share what is the right way of washing your face. So there are proper techniques. You have to move your hand in certain directions. So watch this closely, and I hope this helps you guys.
Hello, let's do this. So we need to cup water in our palms like this and splash it over. Main technique is to rub this water and do it couple of times. Keep repeating the process. So when you're doing it over the cheeks, like, these are the strokes. Now for the eye, for the forehead, and for the nose. And now upper lips. Like this, lower lips. And make sure you rinse it till the time you get that sound of cleanliness, the way you clean a glass and you get that sound. Just like that, clean your skin like that. Make sure that you do it this way is because that's how our skin is going to get uplifted and you're going to feel cleaner. You have to dab it a little by pushing it upwards, and you don't have to like drag it or drag it downwards. Make sure that you just dab it upwards like this, very gently, and that's it.
So yeah, it's that simple to clean your face every single day. If you just start taking care of this, because I attended Mithali's facial cleaning workshop when she did it during lockdown, and this is where I learned these strokes. So I also have to believe that, you know, other than the oil pulling, other than like taking care of my digestion, taking care of like doing yoga and all, but also making sure that I kept doing this in upward direction every single day has also helped me trim my fat from here. So I hope this helps you guys as well. And tomorrow I'll be back with another very interesting episode of Dinacharya. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about the benefits of Anjanam, putting kajal in your eyes, and I will also show you a DIY kajal, how to make this at home. So if you are one of those person like who also likes to do things from scratch, then you are really going to love it. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Do let me know about if there is any technique that you follow when it comes to washing your face, or anything that you want to share. So thank you so much.